The country Bosnia and Herzegovina is located in the western part of the Balkan Peninsula, in the eastern region of the European continent. Geographically, it is positioned both in the northern and eastern hemispheres of the Earth. Bosnia and Herzegovina is bordered by the country Croatia to the north, west and south, by Serbia to the east, by Montenegro to the southeast, as well as by a short stretch of the Adriatic Sea in the southwest, covering an area of 51,129 square kilometers, located in the narrow Mijaka River Valley at the foot of Mount Trebesic, is Sarajevo, the capital and the largest city of Bosnia and Herzegovina. It serves as the administrative, commercial, social, and cultural center of the country. The most striking features of the local terrain are mountains and valleys. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a very hilly country, with the Dinaric Alps dominating the landscape. Situated near the country's border with Montenegro is Mount Maglic, the country's highest point, which rises to an elevation of 7,828 feet, or 2,386 meters. Thick forests cover almost 50% of the country's land. In the northern part of Bosnia, along the Sava River Valley, is the Pannonian Plain, a hilly fertile plain that stretches from the east to west. The country has a limited access to the Adriatic Sea through a small strip of land, about 12 miles, 20 kilometers wide in the far southwest. The significant rivers include Bosnia and Herzegovina consists of 2 first-order administrative divisions and 1 internationally supervised district. The 2 administrative divisions are the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina and the Republika Srpska. The country is divided into 10 cantons. The Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina is further divided into 74 municipalities. The Republika Srpska is further subdivided into 63 municipalities. Beko district, located in the northeastern part of Bosnia, is a self-governing administrative unit under the sovereignty of Bosnia and Herzegovina, which is formally held in joint control between the 2 entities. The district remains under international supervision. In addition to these divisions, Bosnia and Herzegovina has 4 official cities, namely Sarajevo, Banja Luka, Mostar, and East Sarajevo. History. Called Illyricum in ancient times, the area now called Bosnia and Herzegovina was conquered by the Romans in the 2nd and 1st centuries BC and folded into the Roman province of Dalmatia. In the 4th and 5th centuries AD, Goths overran that portion of the declining Roman Empire and occupied the area until the 6th century, when the Byzantine Empire claimed it. Slavs began settling in the region during the 7th century. Around 1200, Bosnia won independence from Hungary and endured as an independent Christian state for some 260 years. The expansion of the Ottoman Empire into the Balkans introduced another cultural, political, and religious framework. The Turks defeated the Serbs at the famous Battle of Kosovo in 1389. They conquered Bosnia in 1463. During the roughly 450 years, Bosnia and Herzegovina were under Ottoman rule. Many Christian Slavs became Muslims. A Bosnian Islamic elite gradually developed and ruled the country on behalf of the Turkish overlords. As the borders of the Ottoman Empire began to shrink in the 19th century, Muslims from elsewhere in the Balkans migrated to Bosnia. Bosnia also developed a sizable Jewish population, with many Jews settling in Sarajevo after their expulsion from Spain in 1492. However, through the 19th century, the term Bosnia commonly included residents of all faiths. A relatively secular society, intermarriage among religious groups are not uncommon. Following the end of the Russo-Turkish War, 1877 to 1878, Austria-Hungary was given a mandate to occupy and govern Bosnia and Herzegovina in an effort by Europe to ensure that Russia did not dominate the Balkans. Although the provinces were still officially part of the Ottoman Empire, they were annexed by the Austro-Hungarian Empire on October 7, 1908. As a result, Serbia was not happy because it had claims on Bosnia and Herzegovina. The hostilities between the 2 countries climaxed in the assassination of the Austrian Archduke Franz Ferdinand in Sarajevo on June 28, 1914 by the Serbian nationalists. This event led to the start of World War I, 1914 to 1918. Bosnia and Herzegovina were annexed by Serbia as part of the newly formed Kingdom of Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes on October 26, 1918. The name was later changed to Yugoslavia in 1929. When Germany invaded Yugoslavia in 1941, Bosnia and Herzegovina were made part of Nazi-controlled Croatia. During the German and Italian occupation, Bosnia and Herzegovina resistance fighters fought a fierce guerrilla war against the Ostaki, the Croatian fascist troops. At the end of World War II, Bosnia and Herzegovina were reunited into a single state as one of the 6 republics of the newly re-established communist Yugoslavia under Marshal Tito. His authoritarian control kept the ethnic grievances of his parchment nation in check. Tito died in 1980, and with growing economic dissatisfaction and the fall of the Iron Curtain over the next decade, Yugoslavia began to divide. In December 1991, Bosnia and Herzegovina declared independence from Yugoslavia and asked for recognition by the European Union. In a March 1992 referendum, Bosnian voters chose independence, and President Alija Izetbegović declared the nation an independent state. Unlike the other former Yugoslav states, which were generally composed of a dominant ethnic group, Bosnia was an ethnic tango of Muslims 44%, Serbs 31%, and Croats 17%, and this mix contributed to its duration and savagery for its fight for independence. Bosnia and Herzegovina declared sovereignty on October 1991 and independence from former Yugoslavia on 3 March 1992 after a referendum boycotted by ethnic Serbs. The Bosnian Serbs, supported by neighboring Serbs and Montenegro, responded with armed resistance aimed at partitioning the republic along ethnic lines and joining Serb-held areas to form a Greater Serbia. In March 1994, Bosniaks and Croats reduced the numbers of warring factions from 3 to 2 by signing an agreement creating a joint Bosnia-Croat Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. On 21 November 1995, in Dayton, Ohio, the warring parties initiated a peace agreement that ended 3 years of inter-ethnic civil strife. The final agreement was signed in Paris on 14 December 1995. The Dayton Peace Accords retained Bosnia and Herzegovina's international boundaries and created a multi-ethnic and democratic government charged with conducting foreign, diplomatic, and fiscal policy. Also recognized was a second tier of government composed of 2 entities roughly equal in size, the predominantly Bosnia-Croat Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina and the predominantly Bosnian Serb-led Republika Srpska. The Federation and the Republika Srpska's government are responsible for overseeing most government functions. Additionally, the Dayton Accords established the Office of the High Representative to oversee the implementation of the civilian aspect of the agreement. The Peace Implementation Council, at its conference in Bonn in 1997, also gave the High Representative the authority to impose legislation and remove officials, the so-called bomb powers. In 1995, the NATO-led International Peacekeeping Force (IFORO) of 60,000 troops enforced the peace, but was replaced the next year by a smaller NATO-led Stabilization Force (SFORO). In 2004, European Union peacekeeping troops replaced SFORO, deployed around 1,200 troops in Bosnia in a peacekeeping capacity. Area: total 51,197 square kilometer. Land 51,187 square kilometer. Water 10 square kilometer. The country ranks 128 in the world by area size. Country's flag: a white blue vertical band on the flag side with a yellow isosceles triangle abutting the band and the top of the flag. The remainder of the flag is blue with 7 full 5 pointed white stars and 2 half stars top and bottom along the hypotenuse of the triangle. The triangle approximates the shape of the country, and its 3 points stand for the constituent peoples, Bosniaks, Croats, and Serbs. The stars represent Europe and are meant to be continuous. Thus, they have stars at the top and bottom. The colors white, blue, and yellow are often associated with neutrality and peace, and traditionally are linked with Bosnia. Climates: hot summers and cold winters. Areas of high elevation have short, cool summers and long, severe winters. Mild, rainy winters along coasts. Elevation: highest point, Maglik, 2,386 meters. Lowest point, Adriatic Sea, 0 meter. Mean elevation, 500 meters. Natural resources: coal, iron ore, antimony, bauxite, copper, lead, zinc, chromite, cobalt, manganese, nickel, clay, gypsum, salt, sand, timber, hydropower. Land use: agricultural land, 42.2% 2018 estimate. Forest, 42.8% 2018 estimate. Order, 15% 2018 estimate. Population distribution: the northern and central areas of the country are the most densely populated. Natural hazards: destructive earthquakes. People and communities: Population 3,807,764, 2023 estimates. The country ranks 131 in the world by population size. Nationality: Bosnia, Herzegovina. Ethnic groups: Bosniak 50.1%, Serb 30.8%, Croat 15.4%, Other 2.7%, not declared or no answer 1%. 2013 estimates. Languages: Bosnian official 52.9%, Serbian official 30.8%, Croatian official 14.6%, Other 1.6%, not declared 0.2%. 2013 estimates. Religions: Muslim 50.7%, Christians over 45%, Atheists 0.8%, Agnostic 0.3%, Other 1.2%, Undeclared 1.1%. 2013 estimates. Age structure: 0 to 14 years 13.1%, 15 to 64 years 69%, 65 years and over 17.86%. 2023 estimates. Median age total 43.3 years, male 41.6 years, female 44.8 years. 2020 estimates. The country ranks 27 in the world by median age. Birth rate: 8.81 births per 1,000 population. 2023 estimates. The country ranks 214 in the world by birth rates. Urbanization: urban population 50.3% of total population. 2023. Rate of urbanization 0.61%. Annual rate of change 2020 to 2025 estimates. Mother's mean age at first birth 27.7 years. 2019 estimates. Total fertility rates: 1.37 children born per woman. 2023 estimates. The country ranks 217 in the world by total fertility rates. Physicians density: 2.16 physicians per 1,000 population. 2015. Hospital bed density: 3.5 beds per 1,000 population. 2014. Obesity: adult prevalence rate 17.9%. 2016. The country ranks 118 in the world. Currently married women ages 15 to 49, 63.8%. 2023 estimates. Literacy rates: people who are age 15 and over who can read and write. Total population 98.1%, male 99.4%, female 98.1%. 2021 estimates. School life expectancy: primary to tertiary education total 14 years, male 14 years, female 15 years. 2014. Youth unemployment rates: ages 15 to 24, total 32.9%, male 28.2%, female 39.9%. 2021 estimates. The country ranks 30 in the world by youth unemployment rates. Environment current issues: air pollution, deforestation and illegal logging, inadequate wastewater treatment and flood management facilities. Sites for disposing urban waste are limited. Landmines left over from the 1992 to 1995 civil strife are a hazard in some areas. Country's name: origin. The larger northern territory is named for the Bosnian River. The smaller southern section takes its name from the German word Herzog, meaning duke, and the ending Ovina, meaning land, forming the combination denoting dukedom. Government type: parliamentary republic. Origin of capital's name: the name derives from the Turkish noun Sari, meaning palace or mansion, and the term over signifying plain, to give a meaning of a palace plains or the plains about the palace. National holiday: Independence Day 1st March 1992 and Statehood Day 25th November 1943, both observed on Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina entity. Victoria Day 9 May 1945 and Dating Agreement Day 21st November 1995, both observed in the Republika Srpska entity. There is no national level holiday in the country. National symbols: golden lily. National colors: blue, yellow, white. National heritage: total world heritage sites 4, 3 cultural, 1 natural. Economic overview: import-dominated economy, remains consumption-heavy, jointly addressing structural economic challenges. Chinese energy infrastructure investments. Country's currency: convertible mark. Real GDP, purchasing power parity: $51.244 billion. 2021 estimates. The country ranks 113 in the world by real GDP size. Real GDP growth rate: 7.55%. 2021 estimates. The country ranks 48 in the world. Real GDP per capita $15,700. The country ranks 103 in the world. Agricultural products: maize, milk, vegetables, potatoes, wheat, plums, sloes, apples, barley, cabbages, poultry. Industries: steel, coal, iron ore, lead, zinc, manganese, bauxite, aluminium, motor vehicle assembly, textiles, tobacco products, wooden furniture, ammunition, domestic appliances, oil refining. Labor force 1.169 million 2021 estimates. The country ranks 140 in the world by labor force. Labor force by occupation: agriculture 18%, industry 30.4%, services 51.7%, 2017 estimates. Exports $9.94 billion 2021 estimates. The country ranks 105 in the world by export size. Export partners: Germany 40%, Italy 12%, Croatia 11%, Serbia 11%, Austria 9%, Slovenia 8%, 2019. Exports commodities: electricity, seating, insulated wiring, lumber, furniture, 2021. Imports $12.726 billion 2021 estimates. Imports partners: Croatia 15%, Serbia 13%, Germany 10%, Italy 9%, Slovenia 7%, China 6%, 2019. Imports commodities: refined petroleum, cars, packaged medicines, coal, electricity, 2019. Electricity access: electrification, total population 100%, 2021. Communication: telephone, fixed lines, total subscriptions 689,295, 2021 estimates. Subscriptions per 100 inhabitants 21, 2021 estimates. The country ranks 83 in the world. Telephones, mobile cellular, total subscription 3,728,775, 2021 estimates. Subscriptions per 100 inhabitants 114, 2021 estimates. The country ranks 135 in the world. Internet users total 2.508 million, 2021 estimates. Percentage of population 76%, 2021 estimates. The country ranks 128 in the world. Broadband fixed subscriptions total 770,424, 2020 estimates. Subscriptions per 100 inhabitants 24, 2020 estimates. The country ranks 78 in the world. Airports total 24, 2021. The country ranks 130 in the world. Airports with paved runways 7. Airports with unpaved runways 17. US Bosnia and Herzegovina relations. The United States recognized Bosnia and Herzegovina as an independent state on April 7, 1992, when George H.W. Bush administration announced the decision in a White House statement. Fascinating fact about Bosnia and Herzegovina: the Sarajevo Clock Tower is a historical heritage site and is considered the only public clock in the world that measures lunar time. The tower was declared a national monument of Bosnia and Herzegovina in 2006. Hi, thanks for watching to the end. I hope this video has been informative and entertaining. If you like this video and you would like to see more contents like this, kindly like, share, leave a comment in the comment section, and also please subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed yet. Thanks for watching to the end. Have a nice day and look out for the next video.